What spiritual fasting does that diets never can? Fasting is not starvation. All right, let's get that clear. It's sacred surrender that unlocks divine healing. Number one, true fasting clears mental fog, it enhances spiritual sensitivity, and it gives the organ space to reset, literally. Number two, the gut isn't just physical, it stores unprocessed emotion. Fasting is emotional digestion. Number three, fasting activates autophagy, the body's built-in cellular repair mechanism. Number four, on day 2 or 3, deeper emotional trauma begins to surface. Healing isn't just about food, it's about feeling as well. Number 5, hormones recalibrate. The nervous system stabilizes. Ancestral clarity reawakens. Number 6, emotional addictions lose their grip. You become much more present, more meditative, and more powerful overall. You're not skipping meals, you're meeting yourself.
Perfect Purpose Humanity Hospital, where integrity builds trust, unity heals division, compassion drives care, and longevity is the imprint of our purpose.
Perfect Purpose Humanity Hospital, Inc., CH0201. A copy of the official registration and financial information may be obtained from the Division of Consumer Services by calling toll-free 800-435-7352.